From the floor of the CME Group, this is Danny Riley with today's Cash Close. And what a day it's been. The title of this video is going to be the S&P's first 1% down move in 98 days. Thank you, Mr. Putin. The high of the day in the S&P came in at 1976 even early in the day. The low came in at 1949.30 late in the day or recently. And last, we're 1952 half. We're down 22.3 handles. Total volume is size. We have 2.45 million minis traded, and we have 3,200 big S&Ps traded in the pit. MOC, we had 230 million to buy. Tomorrow we have the consumer sentiment number. We have the leading indicators number. We have earnings from General Electric, and I think the Bank of New York. I think those are the big names. Now look, let's just say it like it is. These Russian sanctions are not helping things, I don't think, in my opinion. I think our president has to do something. But while that's going on, Putin is arming these separatists. And what these separatists are doing is exactly what they did today. They don't know what they're doing. They shot down a civilian airliner with almost 300 people in it. Now, this is going to add up to a lot of anxiety. There is already a lot of anxiety over the market. The bears are dying to get this thing down. And when you have a lot of global macro events like this and you have big things happening like that, there's a tendency for the stock market to react in kind on that. Now, the big levels that we're looking at on the downside is the 1947, 1948 and a half level. And then below that is the 1938, 36, 38 level, which are both key important levels. Now, I want to say something. There's a lot of stops down there. And if the premium levels start to get at those levels where they can just do those running sell programs, you better watch out. Now, like we said that we thought there'd be some early strength in the beginning of the week, and then that the stats would turn south later in the week, and the S&P went with it. Now, that said, Friday is the weakest day of the week for the statistics. It's up. We've got it up 14, down 16 in the last 30. And then Monday, which if the expiration actually does go bad, there's a tendency for that weakness to follow into that preceding Monday. And Monday's really, really bad. It's only up 8, down 22 of the last 30. So look, we're really setting up for something here. The Pitbull's been chiming it in my ear for the last couple of days. Every time the S&P sold off, I said it was going back up, and it did. But then this news created a whole different picture, and we're going to leave it like that, you guys. You know, there is a lot of risk here. I don't want to be the perma-bull when the thing goes puking down. But to tell you the truth, I'm not sure this is the event that everybody's looking for. We'll leave it like that, and I'll see you guys tomorrow on the opening.